We were given an opportunity, one colleague and myself, to travel to Miami and assist a new ship-owning company in a new venture. They purchased a cruise line operation out from Wallenius Lines, and we were given the opportunity to help the new owner to facilitate their taking over. So we decided to look for opportunities here, and we were working in consulting business for ship owners and with crewing and technical expertise.
They knew when they purchased the business that United States was the goal.
We imported a sailing boat made in Sweden called a Maxi, and we equipped that boat with teak decks. So that's where we came into contact with the inventor, and we interested the inventor to, why don't we make a venture and take it over to Florida here, is where a lot of vessels that have a need for teak decks.